one of the items I wanted to show you all. It's what you can buy at a garden centre. It's just for edging in the garden. I did use some trellising for logs, but this is even better. They're smaller, thinner, and all you do is undo the wires and you can pull them out individually. That's one from the trellising, which is thicker. This is the thinner one. Then I say you can cut them to whatever size you want, and they're ideal for logs on your, well, I put them on a bolster wagons, but you can buy them log carrying wagons. There you go, you can make quite a few loads about it. In actual fact, I got this from the pound shop, £1. And you see there's plenty of logs there. And there we are, they're loaded on the bogie bolster wagons. Make ideal loads. You can put a bit of cotton over the top and tack it down with some super glue, if it's ropes if you want. I mean, I bought these bogie bolsters in a pack at a very reasonable price from a certain shop over in Liverpool. Some there, whereas the bigger ones, I use some trellising for those. Those are the bigger logs. But I think the thinner ones, which I say I bought from the pound shop, you can buy them anywhere. Just cut them to your size. Here I've just used a bit of this, it's like elasticated cotton. Pinched it out of the wife's sewing basket. Just cut a length and super glued it together underneath. And just put it over it. It gives the impression of being a rope over. Just be careful with that super glue though. I've got my fingers stuck together. Right, with the bogie bolster, you've got these spikes there which holds your load on anyway, but just a little bit more. One of the things I wanted to show you was these little lights from firm there, Train Tech. I got the idea from Hover Motion. He bought them originally, and I thought ideal. They just slip onto your rails, and the buffer lights. I'll show you in a second. But they work out, I think they work out about £4 or even less if you buy more each. So I'll just show you. This is all you do. You just clip them onto your rails. It's difficult to show with my hands there. You can see it just lit up there. It just clips into the rails as such. As you can see one at the back there, just show you, fitted up against the buffers. Very effective and price wise very good. The one on the other side is the one from Aran over in Turkey. I think they're about £7, but they come with them. Another new addition I've just bought is a DMU Batman 105. Beautiful looking little DMU, and I was amazed how easily it is to take the bodies off these. I'll just try and show you. You literally run your fingernails on the body there and they just come straight off. There's no screws or anything. And there's a blanking plug. Unfortunately it's an 8-pin decoder plug, and the two that I have got is the 21 pin, so I'm just going to have to go out and get a couple of 8 pins. Do you want a cup of tea? As I was saying, that was my wife shouting out, "Don't want a cup of tea." I'll get a couple of 8-pin plugs later and then we'll have this up and running. But it's a nice price, nice looking loco DMU. It's got interior lighting, directional lighting, so we'll show that once we get it all set up. Now we have a nice little rake of logs. A rake of bogie carrying logs.